Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: your iPad, a charger, and a soft lint-free cloth. Check settings general about to note model and iOS version so you pick correct troubleshooting steps. Back up now to iCloud or a computer because some fixes reset settings. Once done, connect power to avoid interruptions. Remove any case and gently clean around the home button with a dry cloth and compressed air if available. This removes grime that often blocks button contact. You'll now isolate software causes. First, test the button. Press normally, then press and hold to check response. If unresponsive, enable Assistive Touch in Settings Accessibility Touch so you maintain control. Next, restart the iPad. A simple reboot often clears software glitches. If problem continues, update iOS via Settings General Software Update to patch known bugs, or perform a soft reset to refresh system processes. Make sure to verify behavior after each step to narrow the cause. You've reached hardware checks. Try a careful press and release motion to see if the button reseats. Do not force it. If the home button remains unresponsive, the issue is likely internal, a worn membrane, detached flex cable, or digitizer fault, and requires opening the device. Inspect connectors only if experienced. Otherwise, stop and contact an Apple-authorized technician to preserve warranty. If you need a diagnostic detail, test Touch ID or record behavior patterns. When it fails, note motions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.